By the end of the video, we'll know about back exercises for beginners, simple home workout routine. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of back exercises with a simple home workout routine designed for beginners. First up, let's start with the good old bodyweight rows. This exercise is perfect for building strength and stability in your entire back. To do this, you'll need something sturdy to hold on to, such as a bench or even a chair. Just make sure it's stable before you begin. Remember to maintain good posture throughout the movement and keep your core engaged. Next, we're moving on to bird dog extensions. This exercise will help you target your core muscles and build stability in your lower back. To perform this move, start on all fours with your hands shoulder width apart and your knees hip width apart. Lift one arm and the opposite leg off the ground, reaching out with your arm and leg as far as you can while maintaining a straight spine. Repeat this motion on the other side before returning to the starting position. And finally, let's end our workout with bodyweight pull-ups or negative pull-ups if you aren't quite ready for full pull-ups yet. These are great for building upper back strength and stability. To do this move, hang from a sturdy bar with palms wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself down until your arms are almost fully extended, but don't let your chin touch the ground before pushing yourself back up to the starting position. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Even just 20 minutes of these exercises a few times a week can make a huge difference over time. And always remember to warm up beforehand and cool down after each session to avoid any potential injuries. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.